Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most innovative workspace upgrades you can buy, the Anker 675 USB-C docking station. This isn't just a docking station, it's a 12-in-1 powerhouse combined with a sleek monitor stand and a wireless charging pad, all in one modern, functional design. If you're tired of desk clutter, cable chaos, or limited ports, this dock is a game changer. Let's talk design first. The Anker 675 elevates your monitor setup with an integrated monitor riser that not only improves ergonomics but also hides one of the most powerful USB-C docking stations on the market. The finish is premium, minimal, and designed to blend into any modern workspace, Mac or PC. Now let's get into ports, because this is where the Anker 675 shines. You're getting two 10 Gbps USB-C ports, two 10 Gbps USB-A ports, HDMI port 4K at 60 Hz, Gigabit Ethernet, SD, and microSD card readers, 3.5mm auxiliary, and even 85W USB-C power delivery to your laptop. It supports dual monitor setups with compatible systems, lightning fast data transfer, and seamless peripheral integration. But here's where things get even cooler. The top of the stand includes a 10W wireless charging pad. Just place your phone on top and let it power up while you work. No more reaching for tangled cables. This docking station works perfectly with the MacBook Pro M1, M2, Lenovo ThinkPads, Dell XPS, and many more USB-C laptops and tablets. It's truly plug and play. Just connect your laptop via USB-C, and you're instantly wired into a full desktop environment. Whether you're a remote worker, creative professional, or just someone who wants a clean and powerful desk setup, the Anker 675 brings together form and function in the smartest way possible. With its raised stand, integrated power, and full I/O, it's the ultimate command center for your workflow. If you're ready to upgrade your desk with this all-in-one docking masterpiece, check the link in the description for the latest price. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a top-tier tech drop. See you next time.